11 to 1, so if you have any education questions or you want the opportunity to talk to the schools, we're going to have all three schools there, the University of Maryland, Embry-Riddle, and Troy University. But if you have questions about maybe your CCAF and you just can't make it over to our office, hey, this is a great time. Stop on by as you're picking up some lunch next Friday from 11 to 1, Osan Food Court.
This is a perfect opportunity to just like compare the schools, right?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. That's really cool. So stay tuned because I have your weather coming up for you.
We didn't invent great music. We perfected it. AFM, the Eagle.
Amy, I keep working out and eating right, but I'm just not hitting my goals. You always seem on top of everything. What's your secret?
Honestly, going to the Camp Humphreys Army Wellness Center changed my life.
Wait a second. I thought you needed a referral for some huge issue to go to the Army Wellness Center.
Really, anyone could go. You just need to schedule the appointment. Give them a call or just hit up the first floor of building 578.
So, what do they do for you?
So they started with a complete assessment of my health, strength, and flexibility. From there, we discussed the exercise aerobic plan to perform at my best. Certified health coaches help me build and maintain a healthy lifestyle based on my own goals. They even use technology like biometric screening to completely boost my performance.
That sounds amazing. I don't even know how you did that.
I mean, we talked about all kinds of things. Nutrition, healthy sleep habits, and stress management. They didn't just help me with my fitness. They gave me the skills to live a healthier life.
잘 찍었다. 잘 찍었다. 하나만 찍고.